What time is it? It is time for us to put away some money for an emergency fund. And we're putting away what? Small amounts of money. What else are we doing? We're taking small amounts of money every time we get some money. We're putting it away to the side and save it, and it adds up over time. This way, if an emergency comes, we will have some money to tap into. We don't want to be running out, have to beg, borrow, and do all that kind of stuff. So join me in this savings challenges and stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergency, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2026. Let's save more money in 2026, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment, let me know what do you think of this video. Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video because there may be someone that can use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund. And you will be happy when you have some money to tap into if an emergency comes. Yeah, if it comes, you don't want to have to run out and get one of these, one of these, and run up a bunch of these, okay? Because this is this, and it's not free money, and we pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Yes, it is. Now, we want to stay out of this, because, like I said, it is not free money. And it keeps us in a hole. Okay? Now this here is good because this can cause us to be financial free and help us to have passive income. We're going to do whatever we can to come out of this. Okay? And that can help you save money for your emergency fund. That can help you build wealth. That can help you to become financially free. And another thing, we need to have income in order to do savings challenges. Now, I have 7 savings challenges, and today's savings challenge number 2, which I do on Tuesdays. And what you need for this savings challenge is this, envelopes, and this, $5 bills. This is considered cash stuffing. And we're stuffing these envelopes with $5 bills. Yeah. We have here 60 envelopes. And when they're all stuffed, they're going to equal up to $300. Now we know we need at least $1,000 to save for an emergency fund. But this $300, once it's saved, can go towards your $1,000 emergency fund. Yeah. And we don't want to stop there. We want to save at least 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. That way, if something like this happens, you'll have money to still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your car insurance, your life insurance. You can buy food. You can keep things going. So sit down and calculate what your living expenses are for the month and start eliminating things that you have money going to that you don't need to be spending money on. And once you calculate how much you have, that will let you know how much you need to save for your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. And this is a great savings challenge if this is your situation. And this is your situation because, like I said, it's working with small amounts of money. See this? $5 bills. Yeah, every Tuesday. Now, if you can't do that every week, do it every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks. But do something and add something to it when you can. Do what you can, when you can, and how you can. And if this is your situation, do whatever you can to increase it. You want to have more than one stream of income. You want to have multiple streams of income. That way, if something happens to one, you still have some money to fall back on or tap into. Now, you want to live on less than what you make, watch your spending, stand out of this. Don't spend money like there's no tomorrow. Have good behavior with money. Yeah. And that will help you to be able to save money for emergency. And, you also want to, watch your spending and do whatever you can to start building wealth also. We don't want to just have an emergency fund. We want to build wealth. But if we're recklessly spending money, we can't build wealth. Okay? All right. Now, and another thing, go to the grocery store and buy food and meal prep. That will help you too. And if you're a person that likes to go to this place, you can buy this in the store and you'll have more coffee and spend less money. Okay? All right, so now let's take the time to read our daily affirmations that we're reading. The Bible teaches us that death and life is in the power of our tongue. We have what we say, call those things be not as though they were. And you literally can speak things into existence. Just believe it, receive it, expect it. Okay? Now, I decree and I declare large sums of money now coming to me. Money chases me down. I decree and I declare I am prosperous. Send prosperity now. I decree and I declare I am debt free. I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare my checking account and savings account balance is, and speak what you want it to be. I decree and I declare all of my bills are paid and all of my needs are met. I decree and I declare I do not live in lack or want. I decree and I declare I am financially free. I decree and I declare I am a money magnet. And I decree and I declare I am a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire right now. And you know it. So, believe it, receive it, expect it, start seeing it in your mind, and dream it. Dream it. Have dreams about it. See it in mind, because when you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and count our money. So far, all we have saved from last Tuesday is this. $5. Okay? And then we're going to add this $5 to it today. Okay? All right. So that is 5, 10. Yay! So far we saved $10. If you're following me with this particular savings challenge. Okay? All right. So, let me go ahead and record so I can keep up with what I'm doing. Okay, today is Tuesday, January 6th, and this is our cash stuffing envelopes. And we added $5. And the total amount is $10. Yay! So, I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value out of this video. Drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing the savings challenge or any of the other savings challenge, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.